if you're looking for a way to put a greenhouse-like top on a cover for uppotting plants from the greenhouse and taking them to the next step. I got an idea here. This frame, this is a winter garage frame that I got from Harbor Freight for 130 bucks, something like that. And it comes with a solid tarp roof that's white and sunlight doesn't get through. So obviously I didn't want that. So I want to put plastic on it like a greenhouse. So I bought a roll of 25 by 50 foot 6 mil plastic, which is the least you want. I think 6 mil is standard for greenhouse coverings, and laid it out. Then you got to figure out how to get it on here so that it stays. So this is what I've got. I double-sided strapping here and a piece underneath here and screwed them, just pinched these in, and working back and forth and working down. I had to put them on, take them off several times to get it tight. And then to finish it out here at the end, I sandwiched 2 pieces here on the ends, drilled holes, and then sewed it to the end and pulled it tight. So this pulls the lateral tightness. Here on this end, same thing on that end. Then I put these in, which are a little, they're not beautiful, but the wood tends to, to spin, to kind of slide down the pole. Both of these do. So these are just sitting on the pole, and then screwed in, just to keep these turned upright and a little tighter. So 2 in the middle, 2 on the ends, and I'm hoping that'll be enough. So my last problem to solve, and we'll have to see how this goes, is I need something like a rain gutter. So I'm hoping this will come down, and then I left these off mainly because the strapping was only 8 feet and my sections were 10 feet. But I'm thinking this will actually roll and let the water run down here if I lift either end up, that end up, and that end up just a little bit, and then try to get the water to run out the middle here as a kind of gutter. I'm thinking, and this is overkill, I know, but I'm thinking about doing it. I'm thinking about running a little bead of caulk right in here to try to keep water and green gunk from building up in this piece of strapping, and do that along the sides. I might do that just to see how long I can get out of this. If I painted these pieces of strapping, put some caulk in there to keep water from building up, who knows, I might get, I don't know, 5 years out of it. 5 years out of the plastic, 5 years out of the strapping. Maybe that's being a little optimistic. Anyway, that's my plan. I've got a greenhouse full of trays of starts that I'm ready to up pot. Well, this is a little low because I haven't got the legs on yet, but the final legs pieces come in, and this goes up to height, and then we'll have probably 2 tables under here spanning 20 feet long. We can put a ton of trays, and under this plastic, the sun will just boost them up, and it'll be ready for sale soon. All right, that's what I got. Latest little project that I just wanted to share because I have not seen this idea anywhere else, and I thought it was a good one.